Got new wheels and tires for the Toyota. They were really expensive. I mean, they cost me an arm and a leg, but there was 2 reasons I had to buy them. Not only were the tires on the car completely dry rotting, but the guy that sold me the new wheels wrapped each wheel with the same size tire, which was really idiotic because these wheels should have a staggered setup, meaning that the rear and front tires are of different sizes. So I had to go buy the correct size tires and throw away the ones that he put on, even though they were basically new. However, the guy that sold me the car must have fell from the same tree as the guy that sold me the wheels, because he was driving around with the wrong size tires for God knows how long. The tires he was rolling on were 205 65 by 15, whereas the tires recommended by factory and the ones that I bought were 225 50 by 15, and the difference was astronomical. The 225s were much wider and a lot shorter in comparison to the 205s, which is obviously the reason the speedometer would say I was only going 95 when in reality I was going 100. But just when I thought things couldn't get any worse, when I took off the front tire, it was wider and shorter than the one intended for the car. The poor guy had on 205 50 15s up front, although it called for 195 55 15s, and on top of that, the rims were the same size all around, which wasn't right either. The recommended setup is 15 by 6 up front and 15 by 7 in the rear, but this guy had on 15 by 7s on all 4 corners. Regardless of how much money it costs to fix other people's mistakes, I was falling more in love with the MR2 with each wheel that went on. These stock turbo wheels are so sexy and elegant that they make a bold statement just by looking at them. I don't even care that I had to buy all new lug nuts to install them, because from here on out, I'll be looking back at it every time I walk away from it like if it was a girl in a sundress.